Hello, my name is William and I want to start this video off by going into a percentage table. First thing, what is a percentage? It means things are out of 100. This is what we are trying to get to. So firstly, what does 10% mean? Divide by 10, because 10 times 10 is 100. What does 20% mean? It means divide by 5, because 20 times 5 is 100. Notice dividing by 5 is the same as dividing by 10 and then timesing by 2. Here is a nice equivalent fraction way to show this. Divide 5 is the same as a fifth, which is the same as what over 10? 2. But what does 2 over 10 mean? It means divide by 10 and times by 2. So when you divide a number by 5, a nice way to do it is to divide by 10 and times 2. 50% means divide by 2, because 50 times 2 is 100. 25% means divide by 4. Same thing, 25 times 4 is 100. 75% is divide by 4, using the 25% one, and then times by 3. 75% is 3/4. 1% is divide by 100. Using this percentage table, we are able to work out every percentage possible. So let's do a few questions now. VAT, value added tax, is charged at 20% on some goods. Here is a table. Price before VAT, we have 180, 420, 340. VAT column, we're going to fill in, and the total cost. At 20%, let's work out how much each item will now cost. £180 is the original price. Let's think of this as equal to 100%. Now, to work out 20% from our percentage table, we could work out 10%, which is a nice one. Divide by 10. This is 18. 20% will be 18 times 2, which is 36. Final step, 180 plus 36 equals 216. Next, 420. I will give you 10 seconds. Can you work out the price for this item? %100% equals 420. Let's work out 10%, which is divide 10, to get 42. 20% will be 42 times 2, which is 84. And then we add it up. 420 plus 84 equals 504. Next one. 340. I will give you 10 seconds. Once again, 10% is equal to 34. 20% is 68. 340 plus 68 is 408. Reduce these prices by 10%. An item in a shop costs £50. £50 is the original, so 10% will be £5. Then we do £50 minus £5 to get 45. Next one, £250. Reduce this price by 10% once again. I will give you 5 seconds. %10 equals 25. So 250 take 25 is equal to 225. We have £3. This goes down by 10%. What will it now cost? Because it is such a small amount of money, £3, let's change it into pennies, which will be 300p. Then 10% of this, which is divide 10, we get 30p. Now we do 300p minus 30p, which is 270p, which is £2.70. Try this one yourself. £84. Once again, going down by 10%. I will give you 10 seconds. 10% of £84 is £8.40. £84 minus £8.40. A nice way to subtract is to take away the biggest parts first. So we do £84 minus £8. This is £76. And then you do 76 minus 40p, which is £75.60p. A nice way to subtract. One more, £28, and it goes down 10%. What will the item now cost? 10 seconds. I will give you 10 seconds. £10 of £28 is £2.80. The price went down, so we do £28 minus £2.80. Let's subtract in the same way as before. We do £28 minus £2, which is 26. Then we take away 80p, which is £25.20. A man's salary was £36,000. He is given a 5% increase. What is his new salary? Firstly, salary means the amount this person makes per year. So firstly, let's work out 10%, which is equal to 3,600. Now I will give you 10 seconds to finish it off. Because you've worked out 10%, now work out 5%. How do we go from 10% to 5%? Divide 2. So 3,600 divided 2 is 1,800. The final step is 36,000 plus 1,800 equals 37,800. This is his new salary. In the library, there are 200 books. 58 of them are non-fiction. What percentage of the books are non-fiction? To get to a percentage, first we need a fraction. 58 out of 200. The bottom number is always the total. The top number is what we are looking at. 58 out of 200. We want this to be out of 100. So how do we go from 200 to 100? Divide 2. So we do the same to the top. 58 divided 2 is 29. So this is equal to 29%. 20% of my money is £3.50. What is 2/5 of it? In this question, we have a percentage and a fraction. So let's convert the fraction into a percent. 2/5 is the same as what over 10? It is 4 because we times 2 on the bottom. So we do the same to the top, times 2 as well. 4 out of 10, this now becomes what out of 100? The bottom we times by 10. So we do the same to the top. This is 40 out of 100, which is 40%. Notice we said 20% of my money is £3.50. So how do we go from 20% to 40%? We times by 2. So we do the same to £3.50. That times 2 is equal to £7. Knowing 20% is £3.50, we can work out all our money, which is equal to 100%. So to go from 20% to 100%, we times by 5. So we do the same to £3.50. Work it out. I will give you 5 seconds. £3.50 times 5 is equal to £17.50. Work out 75% of 240. From the percentage table, 75% is equal to 3/4. So let's firstly work out 25%, which is equal to 1/4. So 1/4 of 240 is equal to 240 divided 4 equals 60. Then we take this number 60 times 3 equal to 180. Therefore, 75% of 240 is equal to 180. try this one for yourself. 75% of £90. I will give you 10 seconds, then we'll go through it. Same as before, 75% means 3/4, so first step we do £90 divide 4. This is the same as 25%. A nice way to divide 4 is to divide 2 first. 90 divide 2 equals 45. Then you take 45 and then you divide 2, which is equal to £22.50. Last step, we take £22.50 and times by 3, which is equal to what? I will give you 5 seconds. £67.50. Hence, we have worked out 75% of £90 equals £67.50. Work out 3% of £36. The original is 100%, which is £36, which is equal to 3,600p. 1% is equal to divide 100 from the percentage table, equal to 36p. To get 3%, we do 36 times 3, which is equal to 108. Hence, 3% of £36 is 108p, which is equal to £1.08. Next one, try this yourself. Find 8% of £64. I will give you 9 seconds. Same method as before, let's work out 1%. Note 100% is equal to £64, which is 6,400p. 1% is divide 100 equal to 64p. 8% will be 64 times 8. Work it out yourself, I will give you 5 seconds. This is 512p equal to £5.12. Therefore, 8% of £64 is equal to £5.12. Next one, 17.5% of £500. The original is equal to 100%, which is £500. 1% is divide 100, which is 5. 7% is equal to 5 times 7 equal 35. Now we work out 0.5%. So we half 5. Because 1% equals 5, so 0.5% is equal to 5 divided 2 equal £2.50. We also work out 10%, which is equal to divide 10, which is £50. Then we add it all up. 10% equals 50. 7% equals 35. 0.5% equals £2.50. Add it up all together equal to £87.50. Hence, 17.5% of £500 equals £87.50. If you enjoyed this video, why not like it and subscribe to the channel at the same time? Let me know in the comments below if you found this video instructive, if you learned a few things about percentages.